Okay, this is what I'm going to show you to make today. This is a cupcake. It's pretty big, yes, and it's squishy. Oh, it's the second time I did that. I'm getting mad. But yeah. Okay, I don't think the light's helping. Not really. Okay, what you want to do is you want to get a piece of cupcake wrapper. I would use unused ones. Anyway, you're either going to take the whole one. You can make bigger ones if you want, like large cupcake ones, like the normal size ones. It would be pretty big for this project though. So this is what I'm using. I actually filmed one ahead of this, and then my iPod shut off on me, so I just deleted it because I was halfway through. And this is what it looks like, and I'll show you what to do after that stage. And this is the completely dry one. And this is just a giant cupcake mold, I got a cupcake eraser and I just made a mold, and I'm just using that to like hold this in place. That's what I'm going to use for that. And now for the icing, you can use white silicone or you can use clear silicone. Now if you want to make your color like purple or red, what you do is you take your mixing cup bowl thing and you put your silicone in it, and you want it, and what I do is I add a little bit of oil to it, this is fragrance oil, but I use a little bit of oil, and I put in paint. And then it's going to make it like slimy at first, but what you do is sorry, my charger, and then you mix it like this really fast, and then it starts to get thicker, and then you just swirl it like that. I have an external battery, and it's not sticking to the back of my iPod like it should. Okay, I'm going to show you what to do now. First off, you want to take your wrapper and either have it that size or cut it smaller and shove it in something that can hold it, like this cup or this little thing. And then you want to place some foil in it. And the foil is so you don't waste the silicone, and so it makes it lighter too. It will be a lot lighter with the foil instead of the silicone if you wanted to make it into a charm, which I did to this one, but this one's pretty big. I'm thinking about putting string through it and making it into an ornament. And it will hang like this. Possibly. So then you take your silicone that you made, or not made, because I have no idea how to make silicone, but I think I can set this down. It's kind of close. Sorry. Again with the charger. I'll try to look and do it at the same time. But you take it and you cut a big hole in a bag, or you could take it right out of the tube, the one that I showed you earlier. It works a lot nicer. Then what you do is you just take it on the cupcake. This is a lot thicker than I wish it would be, but it's okay. If you do a bigger one if the cup doesn't completely fit it like this, what you do is on the sides in there, you put silicones on the side, and it acts as a glue. So now it just looks like a big tinfoil ball with a dollop of ice cream on top. This is not going to work out. Well, and then you want to just spread it so you cannot see the foil whatsoever. See how the foil's coming out? So don't pick it up like this. Pull it. And if you have to pick it up slow. And sorry, I'm not cutting any of this out because the thing that I use, which is Splice, takes like 2 hours to combine 2 30-second videos, and my iPod just fell. I am sorry. And I'm almost done. I'm trying to hurry up. And if it falls out, I'll just use some super glue. Put the super glue on it. Now what I'm trying to do is make it look like icing. And shove more in the holes that I can see. I missed a whole glob of foil. It's not staying. Well, this is what it looks like, the tiny cupcake. Oh my god, stupid. I hate you. I hate you so much. I'll be back in like 10 seconds. Okay, not 10 seconds, but there. And then you still have your icing tip, whatever. Now to clean up, easy is I use these wet wipes. They're the antibacterial ones. I gotta hurry up because I'm going so slow. Sorry. And from the dollar store I got these glass containers of glass beads, which is amazing because I've been looking for like little ones. But I wanted them with like a cork. But this is okay because I can put this on a chain actually, now that I think about it. Sorry. Like there's a hole in it. I mean, the problem is it does come out like pretty easy. So I could super glue it in. Oh, freaking iPod. Oh my god, I'm getting so pissed. I'm so sorry, but like, I seriously just touched the cupcake and then dropped it. I'm getting irritated. Today wasn't really a good day for me. So, and I can't balance this stupid thing. I almost fell my cupcake. You know what? If this falls one more time, I might just throw my iPod. Okay, well I'm done touching that. And you can kind of see it in the corner up. Touching everything, I'm getting pissed. Okay, now what I'm doing is, I'm doing it for Christmas time, and since this green is not really green, I'm not using the green. I'm just going to use this. It's like a gold, and since I can't open it, I'm going to use my ball thingy and just pull it out like that. And then you want to really carefully get your cupcake and go like this. On the cupcake. You can see that it has the beads on it. And then red. Actually, it kind of looks pink, but that's okay. Now, what I'm going to do, actually what I'm just going to show you some of them, I'll do the rest on my own time, is take the beads and press it in with a toothpick, which is time consuming, but it makes sure the beads will not fall out. You do that. Now for this one, I'm doing this one differently, and I did this one differently too. I didn't press the beads in, that's why it kind of looks crappy. What I did is I used glaze and I went over it, and it kind of made it bleed even more, which I don't like. And since this is supposed to be a Christmas one, and it's falling again, I'm going to take glitter. Put the glitter on it. I used silver. I have blue, but I don't really want to use blue. That's what it looks like. And since this one's tiny enough, I want to put in an eye pin. So I'm going to cut it to the approximate length that I want. Save the end piece. And it fell. I'm going to have a serious talk with my iPad later. And then take the pin in and stick it inside. Make sure you get silicone on the tip. You probably will since you're sticking it in there. But I mean, I can't really do this one-handed. I'm sorry. And you're gonna fall. Try and do this really quick. Take it, and you take it, and you push. And it sucks because you have to push it through the aluminum foil. And I messed up the loop, but that's okay because I can fix that. There it is. All neat and dandy like. Okay, well this is the end of this tutorial. Bye!